Guys, welcome back to Amazing Ameya. This is your host Ameya Tourne, and in this video we are gonna show you guys how you can download Instagram stories. So without wasting any more time, let's get this video started. To download Instagram stories, you need to download and install an application from the link in the description. After installing the application, open it and log into your Instagram account from the app itself. And don't worry, it's 100% safe because it's made by a trusted developer. When you open this application, you will get a clean user interface. This application has 3 sections called as posts, stories and live streams, which enables you to download the posts, stories and live streams of the people that you are following. And the search icon over here functions the same as on Instagram. So now let's get to the main stuff, which is downloading the stories. To download stories, go in the stories section over here and select the story of a particular person. For example, I'm selecting Igjot's story. After selecting the story, it will appear the same as on Instagram, but you will here get 2 options. You need to select that option that has the download icon, and that's it. Your story has been downloaded and you can see it in your gallery. So now let's check whether the story has been downloaded or not. And here it is. By the way, I have muted the audio on my phone, and that's the reason you are not able to hear the audio in the story. And that's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Like the video if this was helpful. Dislike the video if this wasn't helpful. Subscribe if you liked what you just watched. And please don't forget to follow me on Instagram for the latest channel updates. This is your host Ameya Tourne and I'm signing out.